November 15th, 2 days into the Missouri rifle season. It's a good cold morning. It's like 30 degrees. Got a slight breeze, like 10 to 15 miles an hour. Let's go ahead and get on them before it gets light out. But before I get out there, why don't you go ahead and go to my YouTube channel, Neil's Cooking. Subscribe, like me, share me around a little bit. Hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of this good fun I'm having. Maybe show you a recipe or two. Let's get after them. Let's get serious. Got a doe. Bring a pretty good buck right to me. I can't tell how big he is yet. He is here. I think I can bring him right in. He's going down. He's going down. Oh, he's going down. Oh. Oh. I'm shaking like a damn leaf. There was a smaller buck. He was in there with that doe. That buck I just shot was. I made a good shot on him. And that bigger buck ran him off. And I grunted one time, and that doe took off running across this field behind me, and he was right on her ass. Whew. I gotta get the hell out of this tree before I fall out of it. Oh, boy. Had a pretty damn good shot on him. I seen blood squirting out of him when I tried to run. He didn't go 30 yards before I shot him. I can see his rack sticking out of that tall grass. Boy, I got the nerved up bad. Whew. Baby doll. Baby doll. There he is. Yes, sir. Perfect shot. He's a nice one, ain't he? Oh, man. Oh, I'm sure tickled. That's a big, nice, mature deer. I couldn't be more tickled. Season's been open for 2 days. I've been working awful hard and ain't had the chance to get out here. Here it is. It's 10 after 8 right now. I didn't shoot him more than 5 minutes ago. I may have to call some backup have somebody help me load this big son of a bitch up. Whew. Nerved up bad.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Oh, big buck down, big buck down.
Where are you?
Out here at Uncle Mike's. I might need some help getting this son of a bitch in the truck. Sure could use the help.
I got plenty of horses.
All right, I'll meet you down there where the old pink house was.
Okay.
All right, appreciate it. I got that Wild Bill William Ransdell and Virginia boys behind me. They're gonna help me load this deer up. Looks like one of them Virginia boys, they got a damn nice one in the back of the truck too, from what I've seen. What y'all think of him?
Good going, buddy. Look at that. Bladed.
Got some
real
bass
good.
one.
Yeah, hell yeah.
You got in the tree stand?
Yep. He
Big fucking dog.
Yeah, I say he's big.
Chasing.
chased the doe. He was down in this little holler right here for 10 minutes. A little buck come up and kind of confronted him, and he pushed him that way, and then that doe shot right behind me, and he stopped right there.
Yeah, he's a tank, dude. Heck yeah.
He's mature deer, ain't he?
Oh yeah. 100%.
I'm sure tickled with him.
Looks like he barely got him.
Just nicked him.
Just nicked him. Yeah, he's a tank.
I don't know what he'll go, but he's a nice buck for me.
Big as he's gonna get.
Yeah. I'm tickled.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Well, I got him gutted out and loaded up. And I'm still kind of pumped up. Heart's racing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, if you like anything I'm doing at all, go ahead and like me, share me around a little bit, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Neil's Cooking. Hit that notification bell, that way you don't miss any of this good fun I'm having or any good recipes that I may post. But until next time, I'm Chef Aaron Neal. Good luck and good cooking.
You're good, babe.
You say deer season 2021?
That's right.
How do you do it?
Just crack it in the bottom.
Oh. Woo!
He's an animal. He's an animal.